The following message is transmitted at the of New York Police Department. Their rocket launcher in New by New York on January 12, 2017. Get your home SIM immediately. There are many catemojibabyheat, New York City and Global Alert. There are so. Drive safe, immediately, all residents. In catemojibabyheat, if you see the city, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on the situation.
Super Space Good.
What have we?
It's somebody
Wearing a
yellow
pounds,
1,040
1,000 pounds,
and the red
hard,
and the
black shoes. He's last seen
winning of using
with
was
bunnies, with brown. First, next, second,
enough using
with boba. The brown color skin and orange eyes, and
with the black shoes.
shoes. Helicopter.
What the hell is that, Harry?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Rio Police Department. Everyone in the Brazil of Rio, get to your homes immediately. Reports say that there are 5 friends for wait for. Friends, the streets of Rio and Drive. They see the description of these the friends, are currently unknown at this time, but police are trying and, Hal Super Red Space Birds, Melody, Stella, Ping, get information on these friends. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Guys,
I
I think this is a
can't for what
warning or something.
now? Yeah, where's Pingu?
Wow! Well, we need to drive a car. Are we there yet? No!
Hey dude! What do you want? You something out? This is a yellow cat?
Yes. I think and hope I want to gonna be tired. I'm tired. What about the yellow cat? I have no idea.
Pingu?
Pingu?
What was that?
Oh my god! Watch out!
Oh my god!
What the fuck is that thing?
Or clear bubbles! It's me, Pingu!
What the hell is that thing, Pingu? You are trying you something hard, dear. You will never be alike, my friends. A wonder of that stupid yellow cat.
Oh my god, shut your mouth, please! Oops, sorry! Hop on my car!
Okay, alright.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Newport London Police Department. A bubble trying the car braking. Vingo stop. Vingo say the word. Bubble have new. Catemojibabyheat. Hide immediately. Repeat. They're every one of the. In cars. All clear. I repeat. All clear. Vingo riding a car. Bubble and Thailand. Vingo. All residents in Pingu and Bubble. In 1,000 years. Stay tuned more update. And. Immediately.
Guys,
Oh yeah. I'm very hungry.
alright, let's go to the McDonald's! It's just me? Oops, sorry. Now I have to go to sleep. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. Alright, barking!
Good morning, is me Joey, at the 6 a.m. Welcome to WFTV Now Central Florida, and today, we have a breaking news. Pingu and Super Space Redbirds got to sleep in midnights, but Pingu and Hal go to camping. Pingu, are you looking down here?
Oh, yes, Joey. I've got a son slipping idea. Oh, Nanny, we are eating lunch. Have we? Oh,
Hi there,
Joey.
it's me, Ellie. We are having a
Camping day.
day.
Yeah, me too. We are having camping.
There is no idea. Pingu, Hal, Super Space Redbirds.
Oh, Mr.
Joey, I
Have you seeking
for you in the
camping for cars
stop.
when Pingu
Two big
and
cars.
Pingu
Big-
can stop
There's a
bubbles. Bubbles. The Pingu
bus breaks
will stop in the
car.
Pingu's
Car, it's
punishment. Hey, Harley, shut your freaking up. Oh, it's me, Pingu, signing off.
And Pingu and friends, is me Joey, signing off.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boer and friends. Pingu and Bubble in for catemojibabyheat. For missile for heading away. The city. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not test. Has be detected a threat of missile. For launch the city. Catemojibabyheat. COVID-19. The COVID-19 heading a virus. People turning a zombies emoji cat. For the virus emoji cats. The disease emoji cat turn a zombies emoji cat. The first is zombies emoji cat pig. Their brain turn into the zombies emoji cat pig. The military jets launch the zombies emoji cat pig. Stay tuned for more information on this event.